Nature doesn't particularly care about premium Lgbtqia Pridebirds shirt design, will continue to optimize right up until something abruptly changes in the environment and kills off everything that isn't able to adapt. It is both necessary and impossible for nature to accept civilization. More people die tripping over cats than shark attacks. Premium Lgbtqia Pridebirds shirt. Tank top. V-neck. Ladies' tee for men and women. V-neck. Tank top. Trump doesn't want to put water sprinklers in for fires. You think he's going to invest in something to save some birds? It's also worth noting that air pollution from fossil fuels kills far more birds than wind turbines. So does the premium Lgbtqia Pridebirds shirt. Defunding and protection of things like natural preserves and federal forests. But hey, you won't hear a conservative ever mention saving the birds when that comes up. Just conservatives pretending to care about something when it's convenient for them. Official premium Lgbtqia Pridebirds sweatshirt. Hoodie. Sweatshirt. Hoodie. They pretended to care about gay people during the Florida premium Lgbtqia Pridebirds shirt. USA sends foreign aid or accepts refugees. Normally 90% of their time they lobby to cut benefits. Fact checks your fact check. Tall buildings kill approximately 600 million birds per year. Outdoor cats kill approximately 2.4 billion birds per year. For migratory birds and other species that require multiple areas for wintering, breeding, and stopover points, the effects of habitat loss can be complex and far-reaching. Other products.